Old Fisher Price house. Do you have games and stuff for it? Man, that thing's heavy.
Oh, you're buying it? Oh,
yeah.
She's buying it. You appreciate it and thank you.
Wait, where's my...
She's got
I didn't. Good morning. Good, how are you?
All this stuff on the table is going out there too.
Okay. Do you have games and stuff for it as well?
Yeah, there's some games on the
Oh, and the
table up there.
these games right here?
Yeah.
Would you halfway open the box and just read the first books?
I only read 2. And I was like, okay. So yeah, the
Yeah,
3
so-
through 7 are
Gotcha.
touched.
You need help bring the table out, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Why don't you just take that off and then I think we can carry this out with without having everything fall. Yeah, no problem.
And then the Xbox, it actually doesn't have the Elite controller.
Oh, it doesn't have this controller?
Yeah. It's
Gotcha.
just the Xbox One console and
Okay.
the regular controller.
Yeah, I was gonna open up and take a look.
Yeah, of course. The Elite controller.
What would you like it? You want down there or up here?
It's misleading. I bought it, but got rid of the controller.
Gotcha. And it works, no issues?
Yeah. 1 terabyte. Just reset it last night.
Would you take 60 for it?
No.
No?
80 would be.
Okay. Oh yeah, bows.
Yeah, so we have the smaller Bose. It just comes with a subwoofer and the 2 speakers. And then I have a larger Bose. It's in the box.
Oh, wow.
That comes with the 2 stands that have the back speakers.
What are you asking for the larger one?
350.
350.
Yeah.
I mean, they're awesome.
Yeah.
The sound in them is
We
tremendous.
have loved it. So
Yeah.
we're just wanting to upgrade.
Oh, nice. What are you guys going to do?
Probably
Another
another
Bose,
Bose. I just know
Yeah.
styles are all different. So
Yeah.
yeah, this one comes with like, I don't know what you call the receiver, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
3 front speakers and then 2 rear speakers that are like stacked.
Gotcha.
And then
And then the stands, yeah.
for the rear speakers. But then somebody likes to grab the rear speaker stands.
Yeah,
and-
so we can't have them.
so we gotta
anymore.
change our package a little.
You have 4 for 10. If I buy the Xbox, we just do 6 for 10?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. So 90.
Okay.
Do you have the 10?
You.
Those are mainly men's mediums.
Okay.
Shirts.
How much are the shirts?
About a piece.
Like the piece. I like this Xbox one. That's cool. Perfect.
18.
Yep. There you go.
Thanks,
I see this. Morning. Old Fisher Price house. $1986. Fisher Price barn. What do you have in the barn?
$5.
$5. How much is on the purse?
How much for that one?
$3? Okay. $3. All right, I'm gonna take the house and the purse.
Oh, okay, good.
Got $2?
I have to go in his pocket now. Other side. Give me your other pocket.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Hold on. So that's the trick. I can put my money in my pocket and just tell my wife to take it out.
Yeah. Works for me.
Listen, you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
Your money ain't.
my money is already gone.
Here's for you. Here's a little present just for you. Yep. Actually, no, not that one. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Let me get the one I want first.
No, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the fight.
Oh, Fight Night's awesome.
Yeah,
he's
I'm
playing
playing it right now.
Oh, you really?
Yeah. I am cheating though because I put the computer on easy.
No,
and
still.
I just like.
Would you do 3 for $5?
Sure.
Oh, you guys can keep that one and try
you.
to sell that one.
All right.
Do you have any other games, or is this it?
My husband is still not up, but he told me to go look by the TV. That's all I saw.
Oh, okay.
I know he probably has more, but I have no idea.
Yeah,
where it
yeah.
would be.
Dude, by any chance, did you have the cases for him and all? You know?
They were just sitting right there.
Gotcha.
That's what called them off. I doubt it though,
Yeah.
because sometime when he bought them, he'd just like play them and had. You remember when we used to have the
Yeah.
cases?
The
We'd have
big
no
the big
idea what
CD
they-
books.
Yes.
Imagine driving around just lugging those big CD
Yeah.
books with you in your
Yes.
desk.
Then you had them in your car.
Yeah, have a
Boxes,
top, had the
yeah.
book in the back.
Yep.
People get in your car. Don't sit on my CDs.
Yeah, so that thing
Yeah.
is nowhere to be found.
Yeah.
And that's where he used to keep all of them.
Oh yeah.
Things.
Okay. Well, I'll check back here in a little bit. Maybe he'll come find some more. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, good. How much are your video games?
$2.
$2.
Yeah.
Do you have the consoles for these by any chance? The handhelds?
This ones. These, I don't have the console,
Okay.
but these are $5 each.
$5 each. Gotcha. Do you have any more of those?
Somebody just came and took them all.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, we had the whole table was full of
Really?
things. Yeah.
No problem. All right, you have a good day. Good morning.
I told him to come down and buy some.
You have 50 in this? Would you do 40?
Huh? Yeah, my daughter got a lot of double stuff at her baby shower.
Happens a lot.
Yeah, so yeah, and it's never been opened up.
Yeah, it's all brand new. So
Yeah, awesome.
thank you. Appreciate
Are
you.
you expecting?
No, but
Not you, but-
yeah, not
Yeah.
me. I'm not
Okay.
expecting,
Oh,
but
not you, but you're welcome.
no. I hope we're trying, but it hasn't.
good, yeah.
It hasn't.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Good luck to you, sir.
Yep, thank you. How's everyone doing today? Doing well.
Other places?
I'm sorry.
Did you find anything around other
Yeah, I found some other stuff. Bought some stuff from your neighbors. You guys been busy today?
A little bit.
Games or consoles?
Not that I saw in here. I got some of the other sale down the road.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Why, is that what you're into?
Yeah. I was curious if anyone would have anything since we're already here anyway.
Yeah. What are these? Just the.
They're like, it has like a keychain and a magnet and a sticker and stuff. It's like for treasure box for teachers, you know.
Gotcha, gotcha. Are you a teacher?
No.
Oh,
no.
okay.
But I used to volunteer, so we had, you know, all this stuff extra.
Gotcha. How much are you asking for them?
It's $1 a piece, but I think you can get the whole box. That top box there for $10.
This whole, which one?
Well, I think I wrote it on the box. The smaller box are like $10. This is 20.
20?
So yeah, a big box is 20. The smaller box are 10. So
And do you know how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4,
I
5,
think
6.
there's 80 in there. I think I wrote it on the outside of the box. Oh, I'm sorry. It says 30, but I'll do it for 20. But
You
I
do
think
20?
there's a lot. I think there's 4 deep or 5 deep.
Okay.
So
And these are
it's a
just
lot.
troll ones?
Yeah, there's trolls, there's LOLs, and there's something else.
Okay.
I can't remember. I think I wrote on the box there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's 20. Well, it
Okay.
says 30, but I'll do it for 20 if you want it. But yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot of them.
Yeah, it's a lot of them. It might be a different,
Oh, these ones right here.
yeah, she's got so much.
Man, how many of these do you have?
Well, I think she got them somewhere. I don't know, but I thought teachers would buy those because a lot of times they give them up to the kids for a little treat. You know?
Yeah, no, they're interesting.
It's a nice shorts and a lot of
These are all trolls.
polo shorts and things over here. Like they would fit you.
What do you do if I buy them all?
I don't know. What do you want to do? How much is that there? You mean all the boxes? Or?
You said the 2 big boxes would have been 40. I mean 20 each. So that'd be 40.
Right. You figured that out. I don't know. Are you taking these too? I have.
Oh, you have those ones too.
Yeah, and there's one right here too.
Oh my God, there's more there too.
There's like I have them all over.
Oh,
so, you know,
yeah. What is this thing?
It's a laptop for a kid.
That's a laptop for a kid?
Yeah,
That's
these are
super
cute.
cool. Does it work?
I don't know, to be honest
You don't
with you. I don't know. I didn't know that was a laptop. I thought that was something else. Oh, there's no batteries in there, that's why. I need batteries.
Oh, it looks like the battery melted.
It's $5, I think.
Yeah, I'm not sure that might work actually.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah, it's like melted inside.
Yeah. Well, these are nice, so they'd be good for the kids, but they're all,
Yeah, I do like online shows, so these would be good for like giveaways and stuff. That's what I was looking at.
well, if you take all of them, how about 60?
60 bucks,
Yeah,
huh?
$60 for all of them. Good deal.
It's a good deal. It's just that I want to deal with all.
Do you wanna take
That's
all of them?
that's yeah, that's my.
the thing, yeah. It's a lot.
It is a lot. 50 for it all. Then they're out of your hair.
I tell you what, I'll do 50, but I want to keep that one right there.
You want to keep that one?
I want to keep the little one. This
So
one.
those box? Ah, that's
Yeah.
what I wanted.
You have the same thing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
LL is the ones I would want the most. Trolls, this one. You know what? I'll give you 60 and just take it off.
All right.
Here you go.
Would you like me to help you carry it?
No, I can carry it.
That's funny. That's the second
Oh no, it's purple.
kid I know that was like runner, cross country, multiple sports, basketball, and
McKenna. McKenna was one. My
She
McKenna.
rode also.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
maybe third. So, but anyway, so she she rode for the first time yesterday, like in an event.
Right. That's awesome. One of my friends.
Do you have the remote for the VCR?
We probably do somewhere. I mean, I know we do. I just didn't even think about it for that.
Gotcha.
Still look in the.
Yeah, it's a Toshiba, so. And you said it does work?
It does work, yeah. It's just our TV. I don't think. I mean, unless we just don't know how.
Yeah, Toshiba. Oh, you found it? Do you guys have any old like VHS?
Do we have any?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I
Okay.
think we got rid of it
Gotcha.
all.
Any other old electronics at all? Like video game stuff or?
No.
Really, we have a DVD, but we still kind of have it.
Well, on your Atari set, what did we do with that?
I think that all got thrown out.
Don't have your Atari.
Well, it was a
Oh, gotcha.
she bought one recently, like,
Yeah,
maybe
like
4 or 5 years ago.
Right. Yeah.
I'll take that.
That's okay. Okay.
5.
Well, I appreciate the deal. Thank you guys. Good morning. Sure, I'll take a drink.
What flavor? Do you want a sports drink or water?
I'll take a sports drink.
What color?
How about I'll let you pick it for me. I'll let you pick it for me.
Well, that's Dory.
Nah.
We got the real one inside.
What?
And Nemo.
How much are your plushies?
You want the Disney? You going for all the Disney?
Eh,
How much is your tequila, please?
You just keep picking up. I'll make it easy for you.
all right.
That's the cards. No.
What do I owe you?
$1.
$1?
How much is this?
And do you want Nemo too or no?
Here you
Nemo.
go.
Thank Thank you.
Keep
Daddy,
it.
I need $4.
No, you can keep the change.
Oh,
Oh,
then
thank you.
You will?
we'll make it easy.
Let me see what else you got.
That's the tile place.
What's this Patron? Oh, that's cool. What do you have on the Patron set?
$5.
$5. Man, that thing's heavy.
Oh, you're buying it? Oh, she's buying it.
Oh, gotcha.
It's got some weight. You got it?
I'll just take these plushies. Okay. What over here?
What, you gave her 5?
Yeah.
You changed for her?
No, she can keep it. That's a
good.
tip. No, man.
No.
I'll pay for that's for her. That's a tip.
Well, you should. Yeah, because that's all her. We'll do $2.
Okay. Yes, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And thank you.
Wait, where's my...
She's
I didn't steal it. I didn't steal it. Come on.
No fighting, no fighting.
You think I was over here buying it, stealing it from you? Give me a little bit more credit than that. Ah.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day. As you saw that last yard sale, that lady literally thought I was buying her item underneath her when she walked away. It was weird. She like walked away to the car. She never told the guy. I was standing next to the guy. She never told the guy that she wanted to buy the item. And then when I asked about the price of it, she yelled from down the street that I'm buying that. So I'm assuming she went to go grab more money. That's fine. She can have it. It was up to her. But the funny thing is, after I was looking at it, the other lady that she was with picked it up and put it underneath her arm. And as I was going to pay, she walked up. So she didn't see it sitting on the table. She thought I was literally buying it from him while she was away. So it is what it is. But let's talk about that one weird pickup I had with all those little tin mystery cans. The reason I bought those is I'm going to put those on Whatnot. I feel like when I get multi-quantity orders, I get them super cheap. I can put those on Whatnot. There's probably like 120, 150 of those. I didn't fully count. But my buy cost for all of them was $60. Worst case scenario, I'm going to use those as giveaways on the channel and on Whatnot. But so what I did was I tested the market early in the week. I listed a couple of those up on Whatnot, put them in lots of 2. And I think I sold 3 lots for a combined like 15 or 16 bucks. So not big money, but you know, if I can just over time just put those up there and every show I'll put a couple in there and those things are going to sell, I should do really, really good with those. So thank you so much for watching. We are so close to hitting 13,000. I think we're less than 100 away. So I appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe. You know, make sure you hit that bell so you get notification every time a new video drops. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.